Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about update your phone for fix drop calls. For fix drop calls. Part 1. Call drop issue. Call drop issue is prevalent across several models. Is prevalent across several models of Android and iOS devices. Of Android and iOS devices. Interestingly, however, Apple and Google, however, Apple and Google often release software updates, that fix glitches affecting cellular calls and other issues. For instance, iOS 15.11 was released explicitly by Apple to improve call drop performance on iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 models. On iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 models. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.